Hi, it's Marta in Spanish. So do you want to communicate better in Spanish? Let's do this together. In this video, you will learn useful phrases that you can use on a daily basis, okay? And before we start, make sure you like this video and also you are subscribed to my channel, okay? So you don't miss out. Okay, so let's start. When you are meeting someone, you say, Hola, ¿qué tal estás? Hi, how are you? Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? I'm good. And you? Yo también estoy bien. I'm also good. Okay? And you could say maybe, no muy bien. I'm not that good. Okay? Another one is, hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Hi, what's your name? Me llamo Marta. ¿Y tú? You can say me llamo Marta, or you can say soy Marta. Okay? Both of them mean the same. My name is Marta. I'm Marta. And you? ¿Y tú? Okay, following that, you usually say, encantado de conocerte, pleased to meet you. Notice that encantado is for masculine and encantada is for feminine, okay? And meaning the same, you can say mucho gusto, okay? Mucho gusto or un placer. Great. Okay, so let's move on. Another useful phrases you can use is, ¿qué tal estás? How are you? ¿Qué pasa? What's going on? ¿Cómo te va? How is everything going? Okay? And to say bye, adiós, bye. Hasta luego, see you later. Hasta mañana, see you tomorrow. Hasta la semana que viene, see you next week. Hasta el mes que viene, see you next month. Okay? And to say thank you, super important, right? We can say gracias, thank you, muchas gracias, thank you very much, okay? You can also say estoy muy agradecida or agradecido, remember feminine, agradecida, masculine, agradecido. I'm so grateful, okay? And we can also learn how to say please, right? So, por favor, please, lo siento, or perdona is I'm sorry, okay? And you're welcome, de nada. Okay, let's move on. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? And you can answer, me gusta bailar. Okay, I love to dance. Or me encanta salir a la calle. I love to go out, okay? For job, ¿en qué trabajas? What do you work? What do you do for a living? Okay? Trabajo en... Okay, or soy, for example, I can say, soy profesora, I am a teacher, okay? Trabajo en el colegio, I work at a school. ¿Te gusta tu trabajo? Do you like your job? Sí, me gusta mucho. Yes, I like it a lot. Or, no, no me gusta nada. Like, no, I don't like it at all. Okay, ¿cuánto cuesta? That's very useful, right? Like, how much is this? ¿Cuánto cuesta esa falda? How much is that skirt? Okay. ¿Dónde está el baño? Very useful too. Where are the bathrooms? Where is the bathroom? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Pasa algo? Is something going on? ¿Es esto correcto? Is this right? ¿Me podrías ayudar? Could you help me with this? ¿Estás listo? Are you ready? Okay, so I hope you have learned a lot. Make sure to write everything down, especially the ones you don't know, and practice saying them out loud because then you will know them, you will get them stuck in your brain, okay? And you can start using them on a daily basis. Also, if you want to practice, comment below and I will correct them, okay? So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and see you in my next one. Bye!